Hi, my name is LiliJasmijn. Thank you for clicking on this video and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you 5 easy moves that you can do on heels. Even if you've never stood on heels before, you can do this. I'm going to show you real quick what we're going to do. We're going to make a little choreo out of it. And I know that you might think that you won't be able to do this, but bitch, I promise you, you can. So let's go. Okay, we start with our first move, and the first move that we're gonna do is a hip circle. And you can use your hands, you don't have to, you can just focus on your legs first. So you have your feet together, you step out with right or with left, whatever suits you better. You step out and you make a circle with your hips. Your weight is on both legs at all times. So you don't have to wobble like this and fall. You can just keep balance by standing on both of your legs and circling your hips. You make it a little bit bigger than you think looks cute, and then it will look amazing. Then if you want, you can add your hands. So you can drag them up from your upper legs towards your hips. Or you can bring them all the way up, whatever you want. I'm gonna do it like this. So do it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, and touch. Yes. Now make sure to keep your upper body up because we don't want people slouching like this. You're going to lose your balance like this anyway. So make sure that your titties are out, your shoulders are back, and your core is nice and tight, and then you step out. Okay, that was move number 1. Move number 2. Let's move on. Now we are stood like this. You stand with your legs, your toes pointed to the front, and you drop one knee in and drop the other knee in. Make sure again that your back is straight, your boobs are to the front, and your shoulders are rolled backwards, and do it with me. Ta, 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 ta. Make sure to bring your knee towards the inside. It's like an 8 that you're making. Then if you want to make it a little bit bigger and challenge yourself, then use your hips with it. So not just do this, but make it bigger, 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 bigger. And if you want to use your hands, bring them up. Yes, nice job. Number 3, walking. We are going to learn how to walk. Yes, come backwards. Make sure that your feet are nice together in a baffle. Then you step to the front with one leg. Make sure that your toes are pointing a little bit in a diagonal and that your feet are overlapping. I don't want to see this. Keep that closed. Yes, and then you drag your back leg and you step on it in the front again in the diagonal. Now do it again. Bring your legs together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step and drag. Step and drag, step and drag, step and drag. Yes, let's go. Okay, now that we've walked, we're gonna drop. There's 2 ways to go into our drop. You can either go real fast or you can make it nice and slow. For this one, we're going to do it a little bit fast, so try it with me. Make sure that your feet are together. I don't want to see this. Can look cute as well, but not what we're doing today. So keep your legs close to each other. Drop down. Yes. Keep your arms stretched. Don't sit like this. Bring your boobs to the front, your shoulders to the back. I know I sound like a broken record, but the more I say it, the more you'll do it. Keep your arms stretched on your knees. When you go down, you can slide them down towards your knees. Let's go again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. And yes, that is it. Now for our 5th and final move, we are going to learn how to scoop our booty up. Because now that we're down, we need to come up as well. So bring one leg towards the other. So you can either bring your left to your right, or you can bring your right to your left. So take a side, bring your leg there, close, and then we're gonna pop our booty towards the sky. Make sure that you don't fall over like this. I don't want to see like a floppy flap. I want you to keep your chest up, bring your booty to the back, and scoot up. That was it. That was the 5 easy moves. If you've made it this far, proud of you. Now let's do all 5 of them at once, or not at once, in consecutive order after each other. Wow. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Round and knee, and knee, and walk, and walk, and drop. Bring them together and scoot up. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you back for my next tutorial. Bye.